Hey guys, welcome back to DJ's Workshop. All right, so this week I'm going to talk about a new toilet that we purchased for the camper. So we had one previously that we kept in the cabinet, and it's one that you have to keep the chemicals in. And what we noticed was over the winter time from sitting in the camper, it was building up some condensation on the toilet, and I didn't really care for that. The other thing is we reutilized that area where the toilet was to put a new refrigerator in there. So we decided we're going to go with a dry toilet, and I'm going to build a cabinet to put it in. So let me show you what I got and what we did. Hang tight. Okay, so this is what we decided to go with. This is a Joolca, and it's basically a dry composting toilet. Um, this is what the box looks like, and I'll get the actual toilet and show you what that's all about. Okay, so when you open the lid, there's actually two separate compartments, one for the liquids, one for the solids, okay? And then if you lift this handle here, it will lift the top right up, okay? And then these actually just come right out. I put a plastic liner in here just in case anything spilled. But basically you can just remove this, empty it out, and you can do the same with this one. Just remove it and empty it out. Okay, so with this bucket here, there is a lever here that you pull out, and that opens it up. Then you can close it back up, okay? There is these clamps on the side. You take those off, and then this will lift off. And then you have the bag inside. It has a framework that it attaches to, and then you can just simply grab this, tie it off, and dispose of it. Then you can just put a new bag in there. So if you're going to be using this for like a week-long camping, you can put some kind of hemp or something in there to help absorb the moisture. All right, put that back. I'll just clamp this back up. Lift this up. Okay, and then it can go right back inside. Okay, just like that. All right, now you can see the lever on the side here when you use it, and then you can just push that back closed, and then this is the lever in the front just to open it up. All right, so what I'm going to do is I've built a surround for this thing. This also has a little piece right here too that will pop out, and you can hang your bottle, your squirt bottle inside. I think it actually has a spot inside here too. Yeah, so there's a spot here where your little squirt bottle will snap into place, and there's a little tool that you can help clean with. Okay, but I'm going to build a box for this, and I'll show you what I built. And it's going to be kind of cool because we're going to make it into like a little table, and it's also going to have a bracket that will come up and allow a swivel table to be mounted to it. So let me show you the box that I built. Okay, so this is the box that I built, and I'm going to paint it, and we're going to put a padding on top. And I basically cut out openings here. So this opening, so you can lift it, this opening on the side, so that you can pull this handle out. Okay, now take the top off. So when you want to use it, you just flip it up. I did a little cutout here just for your legs, so make it more comfortable. And then right here is going to be a piece that's going to come up for a table. I'll show you that. Okay, now you can see the bracket here, and it's got the arm and a little swivel on the top. So this thing can move all over the place, however you want to set it up. I don't have it bolted in at the moment, so I don't want to get too crazy with it. But you can swerve this thing all the way around, so you can use it when you're sitting at the chair. You can swing it out and use it as a table. You can use it as a hassock. You can use it to sit on, whatever. So I'm going to get some paint on this thing, and then we're going to get the top with some padding and some fabric. And then we'll get it in the van once it's all set, and it'll be another nice addition. So let me get some paint on this thing. All right, so here's what it looks like with a coat of paint on it. I'm going to put a coat of like a satin clear over it also. So once we get this all sealed up and cured, then I will put the side plate on, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so let me get this dry, and then I'll put the other pieces on. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, guys, well, here is the finished product. It's been a couple of weeks in the making, but I think it came out really nice. So this is kind of a multi-purpose unit we got here. So the first intention was to hide the toilet. Okay, now if we're out camping, when we're actually at the campsite, we'll take the toilet out, we'll put it in the back of the van in the tent area to use it there, and then this can be used for storage. We can put our dirty laundry or whatever inside of here. Like I say, this is, if you're using it in here, it has the cutout for your legs. You have the lever here to pop open so you can empty it. You have the lever here to pull out to open up the hole inside. Now you can see we have this on here also. Now this is fully adjustable up and down, and it's also, it swivels, okay? So I have it at the height right now where if we're cooking, we can put it next to here and use this as an additional cooking platform. You can use it back here. If you're sitting in a chair, you have a table. Okay, the other thing is when we're out camping, if we take the front seat and we swivel it around to face back, you can slide this over, and now you can use this as a table. If you want to eat on it, you want to put your laptop on it, or whatever you want to do, that'll give you, more options. You can also use it as a hassock. So when you're sitting here, you can put your legs up here to rest. You can use it as a seat. So this can be back like that, out of the way. You can sit on here. There's just a lot of different things you can do with this, and it's a very versatile piece of furniture that we made. Now the other thing I did, if you notice on this side, put some racks on here so that it allows us to mount all these other things on here. Okay, so we have a bunch of pouches on here, first aid kits and some tools and different things like that. So those are mounted on here. You can see the racks there. And some of these you can just, like the first aid, you can just rip it right off if you need it in an emergency. So a lot of purpose to this here. And I think it's going to be a good addition for us. Like I say, it's going to have storage. It's going to store the toilet when we aren't using it. You got a table, you got an extra countertop, you got more storage for all your stuff. So yeah, I think it's going to be a good addition to the camper, and hope this gives you some ideas in case you're thinking about switching over to a compost toilet. We're using the Joolca, and we haven't used it yet, but we're going to give it a try. The other thing is this cover comes right off, and there is a spray bottle for spraying out the inside. There's a little tool for cleaning. And then this goes right back on top here. Oops. This way, like that. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you the final product here. Hopefully give you some ideas if you guys want to build something for your camper. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up, give a like, give a share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.